Felix, say hi. Felix. Hi. Hello. Today's look is going to be this dramatic fall smoky eye. So keep watching if you want to. This the look for today. Yeah. So today's look is going to be this kind of dramatic eye. It's perfect for fall, and it's definitely has an Egyptian look to it. So keep watching if you want to see how to achieve this look. For the products I'm using, I've inserted clips of the products so you can see what I'm using, but I'm not going to talk about them too much because the product is really not the important part. So first I'm priming my face, getting it all ready for my makeup, and then I'm going in with my foundation on a damp beauty blender, and I'm tapping this all over my face, blending it onto my neck and my ears. Also, just a little side note, my outfit does not match this makeup look, so don't judge me, and also my hair is out of control. Now I am concealing my under eyes and blending that out with my damp beauty blender. Now we're going to go in and contour our face, and I'm just going in the hollows of my cheeks and going up on my forehead and of course my jawline. This highlight is Physicians Formula, and it's totally horrible, so I would not purchase this. I have it lying around and I want to see if I liked it. I did not like it. Don't buy it. Now apply your blush to the apples of your cheeks and pull it upwards. Now I'm setting all of this with a loose setting powder, just getting everywhere that I put my foundation on and all of the other powders. This helps blend them a little bit. So first I'm brushing out my brows with a little spoolie, and then with an angled brush I'm going in with my brow pomade, and I'm applying it to the outer side of my brows and sort of shaping them and filling them in, and then I'm going to go back in with my spoolie and brush the product through to the front of the eyebrow to give it a little bit more of a natural look and hopefully eliminate some of the harsh lines that I've had in the past. now I'm going to apply my eyelid primer. I feel like this is a super important step when you're using powdered eyeshadow. It just keeps it in its place and prevents creasing. So for the shadow, I'm using the Real Her 2 eyeshadow palette, and the first color I'm going to go in with is Dazzling. It's this kind of brown color right here. Okay, so I'm applying this color to my entire lid. You don't have to worry too much about how sloppy you're being because you're going to blend this all out, but I'm just kind of drawing in the general shape that I want to have. Now I'm going in with a blending brush and blending out all of those hard lines that I created while putting in the product. And just blend this out as much as possible, and then I'm actually going in and pinching the brush to get underneath my eye a little bit. Now going back into that same palette, I'm using Bodacious, and I'm going to apply this over what I've already put on my eyelids, but just towards the lash line and not bringing it up as far. And as you can see, I'm just blending this out as well. And then I'm pinching my blending brush and going underneath the outside of my eye just a little bit to bring that color down through to the bottom of the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my blue eyeliner. I'm doing my waterline and just below my lashes. I'm going to end up smudging this out, so it does not have to be applied like straight or anything. But as you can see, I'm really bad at putting on eyeliner. I never use it on my bottom lashes, so I have some difficulty. And then here I'm just blending it out with a clean, small brush. Just blending that out and a little bit down. Okay, so now I'm going in with a different palette, the BH Cosmetics Malibu palette, and I'm using this dark shade of blue right here, and I'm going to go over the eyeliner that I've applied with that same small brush, and I'm just going in and packing in a little bit more color right along my lash line. Now I'm going in with the Smashbox Holographic palette, and I'm using the shade Astronaut, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners of my eyes, and then I actually am going to take it and put it over the top of the lid just a little bit. The cool thing about this shade is that whatever you put it on, it just makes that color kind of reflective. It doesn't really deposit any color, just sparkle. It's really, really pretty. Now I'm setting all of this with a makeup setting spray. Then I'm applying a few coats of mascara to my top lashes. Okay, for lips I have two options. So the first option is you can go with sort of a light pinky nude lip. Felix is playing with my keys in the background, so you can probably hear that. Sorry. But I'm going in with a light pinky lip, and I feel like since this is such a dramatic eye look, that this kind of tones it down a little bit. So I'm going in with a lip liner and then gloss. But then you could wear this during the day and then at night throw on a red lip. It's up to you. This look is not for everybody. Actually, when Daniel saw me wearing this look, he didn't have his glasses on, and he asked me if I was okay because he thought I had bruised my eyes. So, definitely not for everybody. Okay, the second option for lips is a bold red lip. This would be a great transition to a night out if you had been at work earlier in the day. Wearing the kind of pinky lip is much more of a day look, and then you could throw this on at night. Or if you're feeling super daring, you could wear this anytime. So really up to you, but I thought these two lips were fun variations on the look. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Comment down below if you have any looks that you'd like to see me do, or any suggestions, comments, anything you have to say about this video. Yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.